Okay guys, good day. This is your guy Crypto Ambassador, and on this video I want to show you how to withdraw your X Empire token down to your centralized exchange. Alright, as you can see, these are the withdrawal options for you to choose whichever one that is convenient or you just like to choose. Alright, so we have OKX exchange, which is a no for anybody within Nigeria, or you have your OKX registered with Nigerian details, as their services are no longer in Nigeria. Right, so the only options you have here is Bybit, Bitgate, AB, and the on-chain airdrop. All right, so for the purpose of this video I'll be using Bybit exchange. If you prefer Bitgate exchange, you can go ahead with it. All right, so for here, the one you are seeing at the list here is on-chain airdrop. On-chain airdrop. So for those of you who wish to withdraw down to your Keeper or any of the Web3 wallets, like my Tongue wallet, if you wish to withdraw down to any of these Web3 wallets, you can choose on-chain, but bear it in mind, you'll be paying for transaction fee. All right, but if you are going with centralized exchanges like the ones up here, you are not paying any transaction fee. All right, so I'll be going ahead with Bybit exchange. The next thing I will do is to click on Bybit, click on yes, I have it. All right, so these are the details required of me. All right, so what I will do next is to go to my Bybit exchange to get these details. So let's navigate down to Bybit. All right, so this is my Bybit. So when you get to your Bybit, you click on this profile sign, click on it to get your UID. You can see my UID here, so I will be clicking here to copy. After you must have copied, you go back to your Telegram. Under Bybit UID, you paste it. All right, so the next thing you should do is to copy out your X deposit address. All right, so go back to your Bybit, you click on deposit, and bear it in mind that X Empire is launching on that Ton network. So if you don't find the X deposit address on Bybit for now, just copy out your Ton deposit address. So let's click on deposit crypto and look for X Empire under search X. All right, I think Bybit have not added X Empire. Okay, this is S Empire here. This is X Empire. We click on it, select Ton. All right, so these are the details you need. The first one should be your wallet address. You copy, go back, then click and paste. Then the next one should be your memo. Go back, copy your memo. This number is your memo or tag. Go back, then under memo you paste it. Then the next thing you should do is to save and choose. All right, save and choose. That is all. Pass like this. All right, so for those of you using Bitgate exchange, it is almost the same process. The only difference is that Bitgate doesn't require this memo. All right, so let me just walk you through for Bitgate users, but I won't be doing it because I've already chosen that of Bybit. All right, so but I will be showing you how to get your UID on Bitgate and the withdrawal address. So for you to get your UID on Bitgate, you click here, this space, and tap here, This is my UID, all right? You copy it, then go over to your Telegram and paste, all right? Then to get your deposit address, you go back, click on add fund, then click deposit crypto, search. Under search bar you type X Empire, you can see it's there. You click on it, then you copy this deposit address and paste. It doesn't have a memo, so you don't need a memo to withdraw through Bitgate. All right, so that is all you need to do. Share this video to your friends. If you've not subscribed to my Telegram channel and YouTube channel, please do so. Also join my WhatsApp group to get more value on airdrops and crypto. All right, have a wonderful day. In no pass like that. Shalom.